Hello and welcome. In this video, we will cover random variables. A random variable is a variable that takes on different values determined by chance. In other words, it is a numerical quantity that varies at random. It is usually denoted by a capital letter such as X or Y. Let's look at an example. Suppose that a coin is tossed twice so that the sample space S is equal to a set containing four elements or possible outcomes from the coin toss. For example, HH represents that head comes up in both tosses. Let X represent the number of heads that can come up. With each sample point, we can associate a number for X. As we can see, that X takes on different values determined by chance. We can therefore say that X is a random variable. Another point to note is that for this sample space, this is not the only random variable. We can define many other random variables, for example, number of tails, the square of number of heads, etc. There are two main types of random variables. A random variable is called a discrete random variable when it can assume only a countable, sometimes infinite number of values. On the other hand, when a random variable can assume an uncountable number of values in a line interval, it is called a continuous random variable. In the next video, we will cover probability functions or probability distributions. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, subscribe to my channel for the updates on the latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.